I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. I'd like to apologize for my poor English. You might find my voice monotonous and emotionless. I created this channel to share my experience and knowledge. If you don't want to miss my next episodes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Did you know that most people fail to save money not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't follow a clear plan? Imagine saving $1,000 in just 30 days without cutting all the fun out of your life. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step system that anyone can follow to reach that goal. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to save $1,000 in a month, even if you've never budgeted before. Most people think saving money is hard because they try to cut everything at once. They stop buying coffee, cancel subscriptions, and suddenly life feels restricted. The real problem is not knowing exactly where your money goes and how to plan spending. Without a clear system, saving becomes stressful and easy to abandon. But if you follow a step-by-step method, you can save $1,000 without feeling deprived or stressed. Let's break it down. Step 1. Track your spending. The first step is tracking everything you spend for 1 week. Write down every coffee, snack, subscription, and online purchase. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Many people are surprised to see how small, unnecessary expenses add up quickly. Once you know your spending patterns, you can identify which expenses are optional and which are essential. Tracking is the foundation of saving. It shows you exactly where to cut without hurting your lifestyle. Step 2 is cutting optional spending. Look at the data from your spending log and identify things you can reduce without sacrificing happiness. For example, skip 2 takeout meals per week or pause a subscription you rarely use. Small adjustments like these can save you hundreds of dollars in just 1 month. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate all fun, but to spend smarter. Step 3 is setting a clear weekly savings goal. Divide your $1,000 target into 4 weeks. For example, $250 per week. Each week, you focus only on reaching that goal. Seeing your progress every week keeps you motivated and accountable. You can use a savings jar, a separate bank account, or a digital app, whatever works for you. The key is visualizing your progress so you feel rewarded as you save. Step 4 is looking for extra income opportunities. This could be selling items you don't need, freelancing online, or doing a small side hustle. Even small extra earnings of $50 to $100 per week make a big difference over 30 days. Combining smart spending with additional income accelerates your savings and makes reaching $1,000 much easier. Step 5. At the end of each week, analyze your progress. Check which steps worked and which didn't. Perhaps you spent more on groceries than you planned. Or perhaps your extra income brought in some extra cash. Adjust your plan for the following week to stay on track. Regular review helps you stay accountable and ensures you reach your $1,000 goal by the end of the month. Step 6 is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to a savings account every payday. This ensures you save before you even have a chance to spend. Automation removes temptation and keeps you consistent. Even small automatic transfers, like $20 to $50 per week, add up quickly and make reaching $1,000 much easier. Step 7 is reviewing your bills and subscriptions. Call your service providers, ask for discounts, or switch to cheaper plans. Cancel services you don't use. Sometimes just one phone call can save $50 to $100 a month. These small adjustments create extra money to put toward your $1,000 goal. Step 8 is selling items you no longer need. Clothing, electronics, old gadgets, or furniture can be sold online. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace make it easy. Even small earnings of $100 to $200 from your unused items significantly reduce the burden of saving $1,000 in 30 days. Step 9 is reducing food costs. Cook at home, plan meals, and avoid frequent takeout. Even if you save $5 to $10 per day, that's $150 to $300 a month. Meal planning also prevents impulse buying and helps you stick to your budget. Step 10 is checking your savings daily. Even 2 to 3 minutes a day can help you stay motivated. Update your spreadsheet or app. Celebrate small wins and adjust your spending if necessary. Daily tracking keeps your $1,000 goal realistic and attainable. Saving $1,000 in 30 days is possible if you follow a clear step-by-step plan. Track your spending. Cut unnecessary costs. Set weekly goals. Find extra income and review your progress regularly. The key is consistency and seeing small wins each week. Start today, follow these steps, and watch your savings grow. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about spending smarter and building better habits for life